Good morning, everyone. I'm Ms. Thakkar Krina J of 10C from Navodaya English High School and Junior College. I feel immensely proud to tell you that I represented our school at the international debate competition held by Alliance University. In this video, I'll share my experience for the same. The debate was held for a total of 3 days and in a total of 7 rounds. We were given 5 topics prior to the competition and we were told to prepare for and against them. I did my preparations quite well and I tried to prepare as much as I can. The first 2 rounds were held on 19th April and they were intra-school. That is, I had to compete against the students of the same school. So for the first round, the topic was, is social media a bane or a boon? Now, social media is used by all of us, right? So I could easily debate on how social media is a bane, and I got through this round. For the second round, we were given the topic, the use of 5G in present times. The topic was given on the spot, and I was told to speak for the topic. It was quite challenging actually, but my habit of keeping myself updated of the current situations and my experience in the on-the-spot elocution competitions helped me get through this round quite easily. Thus, I was selected from our school, and from here on, I represented our school in the further rounds. The third round was held on 20th April. The topic for my round was, should age of majority reduce from 18 to 16? Now I'm a teenager, so I was quite comfortable speaking on this topic. I laid my points on to why age of majority should be reduced, and I got through this round quite easily. The next rounds were held on 21st April, but this time it was gonna be a bit more difficult because there was a gap of only 10 minutes between the 2 rounds. So I had like no time for preparation. The pre-preparations were gonna help me to get through all the rounds. For the fourth round, the topic was climate change versus industrialization. So I spoke for climate change, and because climate change is something we are all facing right now, it was again it was quite easy for me to get through this round again. I also included a lot of statistics in this round as to how industrialization affects our climate, and I won over my opponent. For the fifth round, I was told to debate against the topic, should violent video games be banned? Now, a quite challenging, but in fact a provoking topic wherein you get a lot to speak, but to speak against it, to debate against it was quite challenging. But because I had my steps with me all the time, it helped me get through this round quite easily in spite of having a tough opponent. The topic for the sixth round was brain drain or brain train. I was told to debate for brain train, but I believed in brain drain because it's a issue we are facing worldwide right now. It's a bit one-sided topic, but my rebuttal skills were what helped me get through this. As the game goes on, the challenges goes on. That's what it is, right? And yippee! I had reached semi-finales. I represented our school. I brought our school to semi-finales. That was a great honorable moment for me. The topic for the semi-finale round was, should the age of majority be reduced from 16 to 18, but this time I was to speak against the topic. It went quite difficult for me because I myself believe that age of majority should be reduced. My opponent for this round was very competitive. Her oratory skills and vocabulary were majestic. It inspired me a lot. As soon as the round was over, I learned something, and at that moment I felt that I grew a little more. I literally had a wonderful experience through this round and throughout the competition, in fact. So that was all about my fruitful experience for the international debate competition. Now, I actually have a suggestion for you, my friends, and that is, keep reading. Reading will always help you no matter what. It is always a profit if you keep reading. It's never a loss. And keep participating in whatever competitions you can. And whenever you get a chance, never hesitate to participate because it's experience, and we will all grow through it. The experience will help you a lot in the further competitions. Here, I would like to take a moment to express my gratitude for the management of Navodaya English High School and Junior College for their encouraging words. I would also like to thank the headmistress of secondary section, Madam Ajita Pradeep Kumar, headmistress of primary section, Madam Anuradha Arjun Wadkar, assistant headmistress of primary section, Madam Kusuma Salian, for their immense support throughout the competition. I would also like to thank all my teachers and supervisor for their constant guidance and help throughout the competition, and also for grooming me for past 12 years. A special thanks and a heartily thanks to the principal of our school, Dr. Ushavati Shetty Madam, for giving me this opportunity and for letting me present my skills on such a wonderful and new platform, ma'am. I'm truly grateful to you, and I'm gonna cherish these memories forever in my heart. I'm truly thankful to you, madam. In the end, I would like to say I'm really fortunate to be a part of this vibrant Navodaya family, and I'm much obliged to every one of you for helping me and supporting me throughout all these years. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.